I'm Siobhan. I'm back with another tutorial. So today we'll be installing my very first lace front wig, and it's from a company called ISEE Hair. So you want to begin with a beige wig cap and start spraying the hairline with the Got2b glue freeze spray. You want to be able to do this 2 to 3 times to ensure that it is dried and applied correctly. So once you spray the Got2b glue freeze spray on your hairline, you want to use the blow dryer on cool setting. So next you want to use a concealer or any makeup that matches your skin complexion and apply it on the cap. And use 100% alcohol to clean the residue off of your skin. So next I'm positioning the wig to see where I want to lay the glue. The glue that I'm using is 100% whole lace front liquid glue. And so I'm also doing this about 3 times, each time drying it with a cool setting on the blow dryer. So once the lace is tacky, you want to lay the wig on the glue. And I do use the red tail on the comb because the liquid glue can get really sticky. And so now I'm just cutting the lace. I started off with a razor, but that was doing too much, so I just went back in with the scissors. And so you just want to cut around the hairline. And also cut the lace that's in the back of the wig. I didn't know how I wanted to wear this hair because you can't wear it up. So I did sew down the back. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. So then you want to create your baby hairs, and right now I'm just cutting some fine hair to lay down to cover the lace. I wear baby hairs anyway, so this is nothing new to me. So I'm going to be cleaning off the edges again with the alcohol and applying some mousse to lay down the edges. So basically, I'm just trying to fill out the wig, styling it, going through it. I was so happy, y'all. This was my birthday hair. I turned 30 years old. This is my first install. Everybody was loving it. I got so many compliments for my hair, and I was so proud to say that I did it myself. So here's the ending look. I hope y'all guys enjoy my video. Y'all follow me on social media and look out for my next video. Take care.